Hey friends, if you wish to install YouTube TV as an app on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So, open the Microsoft Edge browser, not any other browser, though other browsers have this feature as well. And then go to YouTube, okay? And then click on these three dots at the top right corner. And then you will find this option called as more tools. Click on this, and then you'll find this option called as apps. Click on this. You'll find this option which says install YouTube. Just click on it and then select install. Wait for a few seconds. Now YouTube has been installed as an app on your computer. And to confirm this, you can search for YouTube in the search bar and open it as an app. So, why can you just not install it from the Microsoft Store? Well, I'll show you the reason. You can neither install YouTube nor Google Chrome from the Microsoft Store, even though they could be very popular applications, because they have been removed. And the reason is that Microsoft is a competitor to Google. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.